Hello everyone, let's cook yakisoba noodles from Costco. Okay, we're going to stir fry this yakisoba noodle from Costco. So we're gonna start with the noodle and its sauce, and then add the veggies, and then last will be the chicken. Stir fry. Okay, added the noodles and then the sauce. The color changed now due to the sauce. Okay, we're now adding the veggies. We're here in my son's condo area, so we brought this. It's economical for us to buy in Costco, since besides being cheaper to buy it there, we get a total of 4% reward. 2% from Costco for being a card member, and then 2% from Bank of America for using their credit card. So it's a win-win situation. Okay, so add the veggie. And then when it's almost done, then you can add the chicken last. Okay, we're now finally adding the cooked chicken. And then stir fry everything. Okay. And then in 2 minutes it's done. One good thing about this is the chicken pieces are big, so it's sulit. Since we already bought the first one yesterday and we tried it, we like it, so we decided to bring it to my son today. We decided to add some more crushed red pepper to make it a little bit more spicy. So it's up to you what you want to add. But this is worth it. We're done. See how big the chicken pieces are? It's worth it. Try it. It's yakisoba noodles from Costco. And it's by the pound, $5.49 I think on our side. So here's the price. $5.49 a pound. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay safe. Maraming salamat. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone.